often has it happened that you've gone to every doctor out there, get treated with a cocktail of medicines which yield no results, and finally settling down on the problem not getting resolved? You cannot concentrate on your work because of the haunting pain around your ears and sometimes eyes that often turn into horrendous sessions of headaches. You do not have a social life due to the crackling sound when you open your mouth or sudden stiffness and pain when you laugh out loud. There's frustration when you cannot explain yourself or what you're feeling and trying to conclude. But then nothing much can be done about it. Do you know there is a joint located on each side of the head, perhaps one of the most important yet most neglected? It's called temporomandibular joint or TMJ. It is your TMJ that works together when you chew, speak or swallow. It won't be an overstatement, but half of the people out in the world have encountered some or the other TMJ discomfort in their day-to-day lives, like a click, a deviation with opening mouth, altered bite, pain or discomfort. We tend to ignore it as long as we can speak or eat properly, until it causes permanent changes in the bite or jaw, affecting our social lives. Timely medical treatment can make a significant difference, but for that, the first step is diagnosis. And until you are diagnosed, you can never be treated. The best diagnosis and treatment for your pain can be only given by a TMJ specialist through neuromuscular dentistry. Now, what is neuromuscular dentistry? It is the approach in which the teeth, muscles, associated nerves and the joint are taken into consideration to precisely manage your problems related to the TMJ. The pioneer of neuromuscular dentistry in India, Dr. Raj and his team have been treating patients suffering from TMD from last 15 years. When I say from TMD since last 15 years, it is not just the relief, it is not just removing your symptoms, but the cause is entirely to deliver a complete solution. Come, let's meet him and his team and find out more.
All the way back in 2005, when I came back to India after completing my training in neuromuscular orthodontics in Italy, which I followed up with my sleep residency at Tufts University, I was kind of dumbfounded to know that there's no one who does neuromuscular dentistry in our country. So I had to come up with this protocol. We call it the Right Bite protocol. It involves a long consult, almost 2 hours, because we need to know what exactly is the problem with the patient, which we would never know in a 10-15 minute consult, obviously. But the challenge was always to find the right team. I was fortunate enough to start working with Dr. Girish, Dr. Abhimanyu, and my wonderful team that we have. So what we did was we started the Right Bite Craniofacial Pain Care. We have 3 offices right now in Bangalore, Delhi and Mumbai. We plan to open up a lot more across the world. It's all about the protocol, the Right Bite Craniofacial Pain Care protocol. The whole aim with the protocol is to make sure that after that 1 hour consult with the patient, we make sure we know not just what the problem is, but the causes of the problem as well. We get the subjective data and then we objectivize all of that with the technology that we have with at all our centers. And the whole aim of this is to make sure that the patient gets the best treatment that is available across the world.
The doctor's ability to give us an accurate diagnosis is absolutely necessary to ensure that our treatment is done in the right way. For TMD particularly, every individual is considered unique and the diagnosis is in itself very individual specific and it cannot be same for everybody. Dr. Girish PV specializes in neuromuscular orthodontics and he is only the 2nd person after Dr. Raj who has attained fellowship in ICMO.
Like Dr. Raj mentioned, it is important to use modern technology in the diagnosis and treatment planning for all our patients. We always use very strict protocols for all our patients from the time they walk in till the treatment is planned and executed. We have a plethora of equipment with us ranging from the TENS to the J7 jaw tracker from Myotronics USA and TENS units and other amazing devices to help us not only in planning but also doing the treatment and executing the treatment plan. From phase 1 orthotics to phase 2 neuromuscular orthodontics, we also do full mouth rehabilitations using these protocols. It is essential not to skip any step and follow all the guidelines for every patient. Our motto is to never give up till the patient is pain free. We have roughly around 5,000 plus successfully treated patients not only from India but from all over the world.
Now coming to the most important part of neuromuscular dentistry. The treatment is completely non-surgical and painless. You must have come across a lot of non-invasive treatments to relieve pain before, but this treatment is precise and works on the exact cause of the disease. So when the cause is corrected, the solution is permanent.
We have 3 super specialized centers in India, Delhi, Mumbai and Bangalore. We are fully equipped to treat patients with TMJ problems. And currently, in the near future, our aim is to open at least 20 centers all around the world. Now, neuromuscular dentistry is a constantly evolving science. And we make it a point that even us doctors are updated with the current science. And also we tend to hire doctors who have done advanced training in the field of neuromuscular dentistry. Most of our doctors are fellows of ICMO, ICCMO, that is International College of Craniomandibular Orthopedics.
So it's now time for you to put a full stop on your endless wait. Waiting for right medication, waiting for people to believe you, waiting for future cure. To reach the right destination, you have to take the right direction. RightBite is the right direction. The only solution as far as TMJ problems are concerned. So don't hesitate, don't compromise. Bite right, feel right only at RightBite.